Catecholamines' role in anxiety.
Breathwork is a great tool if you learn how to do it. Walking in nature, a cortisol lowering walk, meaning a slow pace, enjoy nature walk without listening to anything. But the sound of nature is another tool. Other tools come into play when you understand that. I think it's the catecholamines that the body is unable to break down. According to Gary Brecker, it's one of the reasons why we suffer from anxiety. Many individuals, our bodies have lost the ability to break down the catecholamines, and this keeps us in a heightened state of fear, anxiousness, doubt, worry, etc. And this can be seen in those who have certain genetic mutations. I highly recommend that you follow Gary Brecker and search gene mutations in order to get a better understanding of what it is that I'm saying.